Day 3. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered together so the dry land will appear." And it happened. God named the dry land earth, and he named the water that was gathered together seas. God saw that this was good. Then God said, "Let the earth produce plants. Some plants will make grain for other seeds. Others will make fruit with seeds in it. Every seed will produce more of its own kind of plant." And it happened. The earth produced plants. Some plants had grain for seeds. The trees made fruit with seeds in it. Each seed grew its own kind of plant. God saw that all of this was good. Evening passed and morning came. This was the third day. Genesis chapter 1 verses 9 to 13. Now there were mountains, valleys, boulders, springs, rivers, waterfalls, caves, beaches, gravel, clay, and sand. And because there were plants on the earth for the first time, it contained roots, stems, leaves, grass, pollen, barks, vines, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and more. Day 4. So God made the two large lights. He made a brighter light to rule the day, and he made a smaller light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God put all this together in the sky to shine on the earth. They are to rule over the day and over the night. He put them there to separate the light from the darkness. God saw that all these things were good. Evening passed and morning came. This was the fourth day. Genesis chapter 1 verses 16 to 19. With the sun there came light, heat, and warmth. God knew that the earth would need the sun to survive. And then there was the beauty of the night sky for the first time. Sometimes the moon is full and round, and sometimes it is shaped like a crescent. When the moon appears very thin, some people even call it a toenail moon. Of course, the stars are amazing because they are bright and sparkly and even appear to twinkle in the sky. So kids, the moral of the story for me is to take care of God's creation. We should be thankful to God for creating us wonderfully and uniquely. He spent His precious time to give us life. So let us always take